Feeling like the holidays are pulling you away from your goals? Don't worry. Here are 10 powerful tips to keep your motivation high and finish the year strong. Let's go. 10 tips in 5 minutes. Tip 1. Set your holiday goals. The holidays are a time of celebration, but also a time to reflect. Write down 3 clear goals to accomplish during this season, whether it's fitness, reading, or personal growth. Seeing them daily will keep you focused. Tip 2. Plan your days, not just your holidays. Don't let time slip away. Use a simple daily planner to prioritize your tasks. Break big goals into smaller steps so you can tackle them, even between family gatherings. Tip 3. Reward yourself. Staying motivated is easier when there's a reward. Promise yourself a treat, a cozy movie night, or your favorite holiday snack, after completing your tasks. Tip 4. Stay active, stay energized. Exercise releases endorphins, which keeps your energy and mood high. A quick 20-minute workout each day will make you feel great and productive. Tip 5. Limit distractions. Put your phone on silent and stay away from social media when working on your goals. Use apps like focus mode or Pomodoro timers to stay sharp and efficient. Tip 6. Surround yourself with positive energy. Be around people who lift you up. Share your goals with family or friends who'll keep you accountable and motivated throughout the season. Tip 7. Keep a holiday motivation playlist. Music can be magic. Create a playlist of energetic, uplifting songs to stay in the zone while working on your tasks. Tip 8. Wake up early, feel accomplished. Start your day strong. Waking up even 30 minutes earlier gives you quiet time to focus on you before the holiday chaos begins. Tip 9. Remember your why. When you feel your motivation slipping, pause and ask yourself, why did I start this? Remind yourself of the bigger picture and keep moving forward. Tip 10. Reflect, celebrate, and keep going. Finally, celebrate every little progress. Reflection boosts motivation. Write down what you've accomplished and what you'll tackle next year. Remember, consistency is key. Did you find these tips helpful? Share your favorite one in the comments. And if you're ready to crush your goals, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiration. See you in the next video. Stay motivated and happy holidays. Stay focused. Stay festive. Happy holidays.